are you guys? How's it going? Don't mind the laziness of my hair. It's in a messy bun because it's one of those days. Subscribe to the channel if you already haven't, because I'm telling you, it's lit on this side of town. Follow me on all my social media. The links will be in the description box down below as well as here on the screen, so we can be social butterflies together. Basically, I want to tell you guys about one of the goals I have for 2019. And it's one of the goals I've had like for a really long time actually, that is also the reason why I started this channel. This channel was started because I wanted to learn more about natural hair and also growing my hair to a really socially unexpected, underestimated length. First, I was just watching the videos, then I wanted to make the videos as I was learning through other people's videos on like natural hair care and such. And then from there, it just kind of started to get experimental. But don't worry, I got a plan on where the channel is going. Although that's the main reason why I started. So now that you know that, one of the things I really wanted to do when I first started this channel, and just like in life in general, even before I went natural, was I wanted to have dummy long hair. Dummy long hair, okay? I'm talking like to my hips. I set up in my mind that that's what I'm going to do, and when I put my mind to something, it gets done. I should really make like a natural hair journey story one of these days. I'll make it sooner or later. I like always told myself that I would make one and put a video up once I reached the length I wanted. So if y'all would like something like that, then let me know. Throughout my research and actual practice, I've noticed that the biggest things in growing like your hair are protective styling, at least just for me, and length retention. But I guess those kind of go hand in hand, because like you don't have to do protective styling to retain your length, but for me, that's what's easiest. So here's my challenge. If anybody out there wants to join me, that would be dope. If not, that's cool, because I'm hit to go anyway. I'm going to do I don't know exactly what I'm naming this video yet, so when it's up, I guess, then we'll all see. This challenge is, I'm basically going to try my best to grow my hair as long as I can from January 2019 to December, and track my progress and see how much hair I grew within this year time span. Yeah, there aren't any like rules, but there's kind of like guidelines that I want to follow. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to protective style, if not all, then throughout most of the year. There's 12 months in a year. I broke it down into 3 months out of that year, maybe January, February, March. I'm gonna do one of the same sort of protective styling, like baby braids. Other 3 could be like something like twist or faux locks, and then another 3 could be like cornrows or like 2 braids, or I don't know. And then the last 3 could be something like wearing my hair out, wear it in like a bun, but like have cute like head scarves, head wraps, stuff like that, so I can like jazz it up. Because I know that's the one thing that makes me always want to like lose the length I retained and just play with my hairs when I get bored. So if I just keep up my protective styling and look cute and stay on my game, I'll be alright. I did these braids myself. I'm really proud of myself, honestly, because I've never done a full set of box braids on my own head. I always get them done. This is a great start to 2019. I did this all myself, and it only cost me $35. Yes, I'm the queen of balling on a budget. Also, while protective styling, I'm going to oil my scalp with oil. This is just one I got from my beauty supply. It's called Do Grow, but honestly, you can use anything. I switch it up between coconut oil, jojoba oil, black Jamaican castor oil, what else? Olive oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, and using biotin. Now the protein treatments, that one I'm going to be using rice water. I've been seeing this a lot on YouTube about the rice water challenge, and I want to participate, because if these women can do it, I might have just hit the jackpot. I have to get into the habit of actually like measuring it, because I don't know exactly where I am in terms of like actual numbers. That's about it, you guys. Honestly, I'm really excited and I'm a little bit nervous. If you want to participate with me, you are definitely more than welcome to. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are your hair goals for yourself this year. Also, let me know any video ideas you guys want to see from me on this channel. Comment down below where your hair is right now. Share this with all your family and friends and anyone who you think it could be useful to. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.
Like woo 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 woo. You know how the kids do woo woo. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley you when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth, pull up in that like woo.